A judge has halted a developer's work on Carleton Island near Cape Vincent, at least for now. The Thousand Islands Land Trust asked for a temporary and permanent injunction. It provided 7 News with these photos showing damage to the terrain. The trust says it holds a conservation easement requiring it to prevent irreparable damage to the land. Developer Ronald Clapp bought the historic Carleton Villa and surrounding land a couple of years ago. He plans to have a bed and breakfast, a dozen cabins, additional docks, and other amenities. Last week's injunction was handed down by an appellate court. The case has since been transferred to State Supreme Court of Jefferson County.